everyone, in today's video I'm going to be cleaning and undecorating. I'm going to be taking all of my fall decor down, which I'm super sad. I'm going to be putting them in storage and just getting the house prepared for Christmas decor to go up. So let's get started. Before I start cleaning and taking all of my fall decor down, I wanted to give you a quick overview of my favorite spot in the house. So my dining area is small, but I am so in love with it, and especially how it turned out this fall. I just love how everything turned out, and I'm very sad. I don't know how many times I'm going to say sad throughout this video, but I'm really sad to see all my fall decor go down, but also excited to start Christmas decorating. Before decorating, I like to work with a clean slate, so I'm going to just tidy up the living room and the dining area and master bedroom and kitchen, mainly the areas where I did have fall decor, and I'm going to clean all that up and then take everything down and put everything in storage. That is the journey that we're on, and to that starlit sky. So happy to have you here. If you're new, welcome. My name is Stephanie, and I make a lot of home decor, DIY, and frugal homemaking videos here on YouTube. If that is the kind of content that you like watching, then you may want to subscribe by hitting the red button down below so you don't miss out on any future videos that I may put out here on my channel. And if you're feeling motivated, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. We did our fall and Christmas pictures all at the same time, and we used blankets, and all of the foliage came stuck on it got stuck on the blankets, and now I have to re-vacuum this area and get rid of this situation here and officially just start putting everything in the storage bin. I think I was procrastinating majorly to take down my fall decor because, one, it's my favorite season. I love pumpkins and the fall weather and just everything fall. I love it, and I just didn't want to let that go. But also because decorating is hard work. It doesn't look like hard work, but it is. There's a lot of thought process and going to the stores and figuring out what items to buy or not buy, or in my case, when I go to the store, I stack my cart full, and then I have to do the budget thing where, okay, I can afford this, but I can't this, so I have to put something back. And just making those decisions to figure out what to take, what not to take, and how to arrange it, and then finally have it to where you like it, and then in a matter of weeks having to take that down. It's just so much hard work that goes into decorating, but I wouldn't change it for the world. I love being able to decorate our home for every season and just making it a house feel like a home, a cozy home, a welcoming home for all who enter into it, and have a beautiful home in which our family can grow in.
I see myself as a modern girl, a child of my times and a citizen of the world. I won't be burned down, never convention to the ground, and all I ask from you is it something you can do? Just
I'm not hosting Thanksgiving, so I'm not too worried about leaving any type of fall Thanksgiving decor on the table. I'm just completely gonna get rid of everything and put it into the storage bin.
nothing's in my ear, 'cause I don't need no broken promises. I only want you to undress and whisper sweet nothings. Yeah, sweet nothings in my ear. That's all I want to
I'm so sad. This was my favorite spot of the house, decorated with fall decor. It was just my favorite. I had so much fun decorating this area, and to see it all kind of just laying out here ready to be put in storage till next year is just so sad. I mean, I'm excited for Christmas, but I just feel a little sad. I know I'm a little late to the Christmas content here on YouTube. Everybody else has already done a lot of their Christmas Decorate With Me videos, but I'm late just because, again, I just didn't want to take down my fall decor, and I decided that November would be the time to take it down where I felt it was right to take it down. I've come a long way. I used to not decorate for Christmas until after Thanksgiving, and I just wanted to soak in the Christmas decorations a little bit more, so I decided that I would start in November, way before Thanksgiving came around, so that way I have all November and all December and somewhat of January to have Christmas decor up. So let me know in the comments down below what you're doing. Are you waiting till after Thanksgiving to put your Christmas decor up, or are you doing it early this year just because 2020 has been a little chaotic? So let me know. I'm interested to see.
what we face. We're forever on our way, 'cause we're runners, yeah, we runners, and so we go. I've been everywhere, I've seen so many things. I've loved and I have lost, I felt the fire sting. I've died 100 times, but my heart is moving still. That is the journey that we're on, and to that starlit sky we gaze and question why.
So I've got DIY stuff, Christmas stuff up here. So even though I'm cleaning, I still have some clutter because I need to get these projects done. And then I have stuff I've been pulling out here in the hallway, so that way I know where, I know the things that I'm working with and where I want to place certain decor in different rooms. So here's all the fall decor. I'm so sad. Ready to get put into storage, and you'll see some of the Christmas DIYs and Decorate With Me videos coming soon. Now my home is ready for Christmas decor, and I counted exactly how many times I said the word sad throughout this video, and it was a total of 8 times.
And we're all
Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you got inspired to clean and get your home ready for Christmas decorating. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe by hitting the red button down below so you don't miss any DIYs, home decor, or frugal homemaking videos from me. And if you like this video, give it a nice thumbs up. It lets me know that you enjoy videos like this, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye bye.